In the last video we tried to get a bearing out with the welding technique, and let's say we failed miserably. So now we want to try something else. And thanks to the really helpful comments in the last video, I ordered this set with inner bearing pullers. And basically you put this one in, spread it open, and then you can pull the bearing out with a sliding hammer. But I tried already to take it out with it, and it didn't really work because this edge is quite high. And inside, underneath the bearing, I can't really grab the bearing, so we gotta modify it a little bit. And we won again, because we got it out. And now we can clearly see what's going on in there. There's nothing to attack this bearing. No chance. So now we take the other one out. Oh yes, that's how I like it. Finally the old bearings are out and we can put the new ones in. And we want to start with the lower one, because the lower one is this one and it's on already. So we start with this. Luckily I found this washer which fits nearly exactly on the bearing. So we're gonna try pulling it in with this one. First important step is to get it in straight. That's where we are now, because the first few millimeters were going in easy. We'll try with the old bearing, so we're not gonna destroy the new one. Great, and one side is in, and the upper one goes exactly the same way. Yeah, I'll see it. It's all the way in, both bearings, and I'm a happy man. Some dead bees over here. They like dying on this table, I don't know why. Seems to be a good place to die. And we can mount this one to the bike. Let's put it in. Should go in easier. So let's try another way. Okay. Now it's all the way on, and we can mount that nut. And the blade follows with the closed nut. We want to go ahead and put the forks in, but you see here we got some washers mounted, and in my opinion that's wrong. There shouldn't be any washers, so we remove them. I can feel these screws were quite hard to turn, so that's not what it should be. And now the screw will go in easily. Yep, way better. It's not going as easy, so we'll help it a little bit. Both forks are in. I'm happy that it's not too complicated and it goes quite well, I gotta say. And that's all for this video. Subscribe to see if this project will end somewhere or end like this. I don't know. You don't know. If you subscribe, you will see. Bonnie?